Well, Stuart, we got a problem, neighbor. Another one of your tree's branches fell into my property. And well, I don't know what we're gonna do about this, Stuart, but I figured I'll bring it over here to you so you can deal with it. I shouldn't have to deal with it. I don't even have a tree, Stuart. I already cut down the trees in my lawn to make sure the shade doesn't hurt my beautiful St. Augustine grass. This tree branch already fell in my lawn. It's already been sitting there for an hour, Stuart. I timed it. You didn't do anything about it. It's gonna hurt my St. Augustine grass. Brought it over here for you to deal with, Stuart. If this happens again, Stuart, I'm within my rights to cut down your whole tree. I'll cut it whole dang down. Get a hold of your tree, Stuart.